A conveyor belt is a continuous loop of flexible material used to transport items or bulk materials from one location to another in a controlled and efficient manner. Conveyor belts are integral components of various industries, facilitating the movement of goods, products, and materials. Conveyor belts consist of a belt made from materials such as rubber, fabric, or metal. The belt is looped around two or more pulleys, with one or more of the pulleys powered to create movement. Items or materials are placed on the conveyor belt, which moves them along a predetermined path. Conveyor belts can be configured for horizontal, inclined, or vertical movement, depending on the application. Conveyor belts are essential components in material handling systems, allowing for the efficient and reliable movement of items and materials across various industries. Whether you're automating a factory, optimizing a logistics center, or transporting bulk materials in a mine, conveyor belts are integral to streamlining processes and improving overall efficiency.